we're achieving our goals of producing these really high resolution simulations, and that we are capturing these eddies in the simulations. And so it's going to be a really exciting period evaluating, trying to see the impact that the eddies have in the wider climate system.
I think the big challenges is to learn from these simulations. Does it matter? If you have the historical run, you have the variation or increase of CO2 or greenhouse gas, and also in the scenario run you have certain evolution of that. Whether the system react in a systematically different way compared to low resolutions. So whether that matters, and that's, I think, is the big challenge.
The simulations have been completed in this first phase. We have order of 100 years from each modeling group, and it's the first time that I know of that we have such a coordinated experiment. So everybody has run the same experiment together with the same forcings, the same periods, the same type of outputs. We agreed on the outputs, same scientific objectives, and so this coordination is really on top of the achievements in modeling. It's really what makes a big difference with EERIE.
I think the biggest expectation is that we kind of grow further together as a large group of people working essentially on this eddy-resolving ocean models and their impact on the climate system. I think at the moment we have now the first simulation results. We kind of get organized, and I think I really now hope that we kind of grow together as a group and be able to write the first papers where we really collectively analyze the simulations as opposed to individual publications.